In this tutorial I will show you how you can control who can add you to group chats on Viber. Simply open the Viber app on your device and access the main menu by tapping the three dots in the bottom right corner. From there, select Settings and then Privacy. Within the privacy settings, you will find the option to control who can add you to groups. You can choose between allowing anyone on Viber to add you or restricting group invitations to people saved in your contacts. Once you've made your selection, the changes will be saved automatically. This simple adjustment gives you more control over the group chats you're added to, helping you avoid unnecessary invitations. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.